Today is May 18th, 2017. Got about 18 inches of snow already. Expecting up to 2 feet, they're saying. It looks like we might get more than that.
Socked in everywhere with snow in western and central Colorado. The heaviest snow, though, by far and away, is here in the Front Range. The mountains of Larimer and Boulder County getting smacked with heavy snow right now, snowing right down into Boulder, with rain from central Denver to the northeast side of town. One of those amazingly complicated spring storms. We have rain and snow now, mostly snow. It's very important, with lighter amounts in the northeast side of the metro area, 2 to 5 inches in central Denver, heavier amounts in the 5 to 10 inch range in the western and southern suburbs, and Castle Rock to the south, moderate to heavy snow. Mountain areas,
poor little girl.
winter storm warnings in effect, and
A lot of these poor hummingbirds aren't going to make it.
And that it sure feels and looks.
But they're going to try.
This is not good. Today is May 18th. This is going to be really hard on the wildlife.
The deteriorating situation
Damn.
in Venezuela, and it is
It just
really
keeps coming down.
in a very bad state, as you see, and as we
I
all
just was out
see
shoveling a bunch.
through the
Man,
media.
look at that.
The
That's a
state
solid
of
2 feet of snow.
Venezuela
And it's really
is in
packing
the
down, so.
best interest of the entire
And it's supposed to
hemisphere.
snow all day, all night, and into tomorrow, so.
In our great
This is-
hemisphere, yearning
This is some fucking weather manipulation, man. This shit ain't normal.
working with Colombia and
May
other
18th,
countries
2017.
on the Venezuela problem. It is a very
I just got done shoveling this out.
the nation's common
It's already almost
goal of protecting our
covered in snow again.
expanding
This is-
opportunities confronting the drug crisis will improve the lives
This is not fun, man. And this is not a good time for this kind of snow, man. At the end of May,
throughout the region.
poor animals are just going to suffer.
Horribly affected
Dingo's suffering.
by what's going on in terms of
He was having fun this morning, but
in terms of drugs.
he don't seem to be enjoying it much anymore.
The situation. And we
Thank God my neighbor Tom's got a machine.
What's that?
I was talking to the camera. My neighbor Tom's got a machine, man.
I believe you a little bit. I'm getting cold.
Yeah. More tomorrow. Oh, thank God for my neighbor plowing us out. We are looking out the back door. A few more inches of snow there where I shoveled off earlier. It's now going on 6 p.m. It's beautiful, but it's also not welcome. But what can we do about it, man? You know? It's weather manipulation, right, Dingo? Dingo, do you believe in weather manipulation? Do you think it's possible that people are manipulating the weather? Here we are looking out the front window. We're here where I live at, and you remember earlier there was plenty of space under that table. Now the table's all covered up. We had a little lull in the snow earlier, and they said that would happen, but it didn't last very long. You know, they say it's gonna hammer us down all night long. So it'll be interesting to see what this looks like in the morning. But I'm gonna wrap this video up now and call this part 1 of the Mega May Snowstorm 2017, and we'll start with part 2 in the morning. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys soon.